Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teacher, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Shoda. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Teacher, today 26th January and we are celebrating Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with great pride and happiness. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution in the whole world. Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. The Constitution provides use the fundamental rights to each irrespective of the caste, gender, religion, education and more. Our freedom fighters fought continuously against the British, so we can never forget their dedication to our country. We shall salute them on such great occasions. By remembering them, they have fulfilled their responsibility by giving you freedom and making a constitution, so we shall always respect our constitution. Republic Day make use realize to importance our democracy. It is that use live in peace and unity. So let you play that we will make our country the best country in the world. I am proud to be India and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.